So my video sound failed on my video clips today at the Green Awareness Run. Oh well, never mind, do a voiceover. Yeah, so the awareness run from Hillhead, Solent's car park, down to Leon Solent and back, 2 miles out, 2 miles back for green awareness, focusing on the Green Runners pillars, the 4 pillars. First pillar is how we move or travel to run events, etc. The idea is we try and cycle or even run to run events to reduce our carbon footprint, to reduce our travel, our moving. The second pillar, Green Runners pillar, is kitting up, keeping our kit to the minimum, our tees, our trainers, all the paraphernalia that we have for running. Keep it to a minimum. We only really need 1 or 2 tees, a couple of pairs of trainers maybe. Use our trainers as long as possible so that we get the most out of one pair. Don't take any notice of the recommended marketing advice to change your trainers every periodic 300, 400 miles. Quite often you can get far more life out of them, and you can repair holes and things like that. So keep your kit going. Don't fashion buy running kit to reduce carbon footprint that way. So that's that one, and then the next one is diet. So move towards a plant-based diet, good for your health, good for the environment. Meat is bad for the environment due to rainforests being destroyed for cattle production, things like that, and also the methane that cattle give. It's a very significant impact on global warming due to the release of methane and the destruction of the forests. The last one is speaking out as I'm doing here with my awareness videos, and in many other ways, speaking out, making people aware of the situation with the world, the problems we've got with global warming and what runners can do about it. Runners so well placed to try and do something about it, not only to reduce their own carbon footprint, but to encourage other runners and other people in life to reduce theirs too. So the four pillars, the Green Runner pillars, all green runners who join are encouraged to make pledges to a minimum of one of the pillars. For example, you can pledge to reduce your travel. You can pledge to speak out, but providing you make a pledge for one of them, and then the pledges are renewable yearly. The structure that the pillars give you is great. It gives you a structure to work on with your running to reduce the carbon footprint of your running. So fantastic. Sorry the video sound didn't work. Something wrong with my new Samsung. All video, lovely pictures, but no sound. Anyway, I had a good run, focused in on the 4 pillars. Bit blustery down there, windy, wet, but a nice run. So, green running, the Green Runner pillars, focusing in on what can be done by runners to reduce their carbon footprint and encourage other people to. So, brilliant. Sorry again about the video sound.